How to fix Windows cannot complete the extraction, the destination file could not be created. Now, the error message simply means that either WinRAR or 7-zip you're using was not actually or was not properly installed or set up on your current PC or laptop. Now you could either use WinRAR or 7-zip and make sure that downloading these files is on those trusted sources. You just need to go directly into their official websites and just simply choose either of these two. Once you've successfully installed it, just simply extract where your download is coming from and then just simply input any password if there is. Now, alternatively, the other thing that you can do is to turn off your current Windows firewall. Go into the Windows icon and type in firewall, then go to Windows Defender Firewall. Now simply turn off private networks and guest or public networks. Once turned off, you could also do is to turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off. This will turn off everything. Once you're done extracting the file that you would like to be extracted, make sure to turn this back on so that your PC or laptop will not gonna be getting any malwares or viruses. And that is how you fix Windows cannot complete the extraction. The file destination could not be created.